right, we're going to close up the hive now because we did see a larvae and capped brood, so I'm very excited about that. That means that the queen is in there. I did not see her, but again, I am inexperienced. Maybe we'll find her on the pictures afterwards. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our new feeder on now. This hive trap we're just going to go ahead and put right back in here. There were no beetles in there. It was a beetle trap. There were no beetles in there. I'm not sure whether I'm supposed to put it on the edge or more towards the middle. I just don't want to harm any of the honeycomb. So if anybody has any suggestions on where I'm supposed to put that, that would be appreciated. I just realized they ate all of their pollen patties, so I did bring them 2 new pollen patties. Only a half a stick for today. So we're going to go ahead and put that on here for the girls before we put on our new feeder. And this feeder, the way it works is underneath, they go up through the little holes and they will come up through here and here and here and here, and they will drink the sugar water from underneath that. So we can use a little bit more. This one actually holds 2.5 gallons. I do not want to use 2.5 gallons. It's starting to get hot. So we're going to use this for now. We're going to see how they like it. And this is nice too because I can open up the hive and I can check their sugar water without actually opening up the hive and disturbing the bees. And then once they figure it out, we should see bees in here and in here.
It didn't have enough, like see how this corner is, so it's not even, it's not flat, right?
Yeah,
is that what that
definitely
means?
not flat. So our hive does lean towards, I thought it's supposed to lean towards the front, which it does.
Okay.
To keep water from draining out, but it does seem to have a little bit of a tilt that way, but I don't think that's a problem with their plastic frames.
Okay.
We're going to not use the inside cover anymore at this point because of this feeder. We just want this top to go right down on top of the feeder, keep any bees from getting in here and drowning. So we're going to go ahead, put that on top, slide that forward.